Hi, welcome to the Homestead. My name is Renee. Tonight I need a side dish to go with some chicken strips that I'm making, and I'm going to make potato salad in the pressure cooker. I also am going to cook my side dish of carrots and 3 eggs for the potato salad. Follow along. Let's get cooking. Alright, so potatoes in there. I put carrots in there. I need eggs for the potato salad. I don't want the egg drippings on my food, so I'm just going to put them in that metal bowl. And it has 1 cup of water. So I'm going to put the lid on here. And it's going to go for 4 minutes and hit start. So that way I have the potatoes for the potato salad, we'll have carrots for the vegetable, and then I have 3 eggs in there to add to my potato salad. So all 3 things get cooked at the same time, which is awesome. It's an awesome time saver. Alright, let's give the potato salad a taste test. So that was 4 minutes in the pressure cooker. Isn't that awesome? And we cooked the eggs at the same time, and you've seen how those peeled. That was amazing. And the carrots. So let's give this potato salad a try. It's delicious and it's creamy. We like warm potato salad. When we were in Florida, we had a friend that invited us over for Thanksgiving dinner, and they made warm potato salad, and we're like, what the? Anyway, it was amazing. It was so delicious, and now we like to eat it like that sometimes. So any leftovers will go in the fridge, and it'll be cold for tomorrow. We had never heard of warm potato salad. I mean, I guess German potato salad, but I don't make that. So it was our first time having it warm, but it was delicious.
Kids need a 101-year-old woman.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for spending your time with me. Until next time, God bless.